How expert in your headphones, on the way to your car. Heart racing, palms sweating, you don't wanna fall. But sales is just a story about a problem and a fix. If you follow 7 steps, you can really make it stick. Step 1, know your product and your people inside out. Learn the features, learn the benefits, what they care about. When you know who you're serving and the value you bring, you're not pushing your line and feel the confidence in. Build up and make it human, make it real. That's the name, find common ground. How they work, how they feel. People buy from those they trust, not from pressure or a script. Connection is a handshake where the whole game flips. You're not here to chase a number, you're here to change a day. Say thank you for this moment, guide my words the wiser way. When your focus leaves your ego and lands on what they need, sales becomes a service, not a desperate plea. That fun, know your product, know your who and why. Let the guard drop, say ask questions, let the story unfold. Match your offer to the problems they told. Know your product, know your who and why. Let the guard drop, say ask questions, let the story unfold. Match your offer to the problems they told.
Face objection, stay calm, show proof. Stamp set, search for the close, say the why parts moods. M7, follow up, keep the relationship true. 7 steps to sales success, let it flow through you.
How expert in your journey when you're learning how to sell, turning everyday beginners into pros who do it well.
Listen first,
Ask questions and be quiet, really hear. Open-ended, dig for impact, make the picture clear. What's the struggle, what's the cost, and what's the dream there? When sales is built on understanding, let the truth begin.
Set forward
As the base and not the start, tying feature to the pain, don't just list what things are. Paint the after, show the outcome, give their future shape. You're not bragging, you're describing how they finally can't escape.
Step 5,
Handle legends, don't defend or fear. Say I hear you, get specific, show you really care. Is it time and trust the budget, name the root out loud. Answer honest, never pushy, keep your integrity proud. Every no is just a mirror, every maybe is a door. Say guide me as I learn to serve, not chase a score. When you honor every person, whether yes or whether no, you're planting seeds of trust and later start to grow.
Step 1,
Know your part and know the value you hold. Let the direction unfold. Ask questions, let their needs lead the way. Ask solution to what they say. Know your part and know the value you hold. Let the direction unfold. Ask questions, let their needs lead the way. Ask solution to what they say.
5, need a low just for the space, stay kind. Step 6, bust the close, make your offer define. Step 7, follow up long after they're through. 7 steps to sell success, let it live in you.
How expert in the middle when the pressure feels strong. Teaching that the best kind of selling can never be wrong. You're not a walking pitch deck, you're a voice that can uplift. You're delivering solutions, not a one-time gift. When your compass points to service, not to fear or greed. Every sale feels lighter, just a match you need to be. Know your product, know your people by name. Let them feel you're the same. Ask questions, let the truth take your stand. Tailor your offer, turn the need into a hands. Know your product, know your people by name. Let them feel you're the same. Ask questions, let the truth take your stand. Tailor your offer, turn the need into a hands. Know your product, know your people by name. Let them feel you're the same. Tailor your offer, turn the need into a pay.